go. Let's go. Whoa. Jumping on the trucks. Kind of messed up, but it's cool because you know I got it out there. Bruh. Land on the truck. Yeah. Oh. What's good, Vito gang? How y'all doing? I'm feeling schmacktastic. And welcome back to Cluster Truck. We with the CLUSTOS today again. Y'all know what I'm talking about. No face cam though. You know, that's a lot of work sometimes. Your boy ain't got no PC or no computer. So it's kind of hard to edit all that in and stuff like that. But we with it, you know what I'm saying? We back in the campaign. We back on the level I couldn't beat last time. So let's get into it. You know what I'm talking about? Ooh, yeah, today I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. Woo! Oh. Little backstory. I was playing with my little bro C on this Xbox. And wait, hold up. I was on 1. Oh yeah. And he was playing some levels that I'm like, yo, I need to play these levels, dog. I need to get to him. Let's get it. We're gonna go crazy though. Zeno, what's good, boy? What's good, boy? No! Let's get it. Come on. Hey. No, I swear to God. Oh. Dubs, nothing but. Yeah. Like I said in every other video, well, not every other video, but the past few videos, I have a dog. So if you hear a dog barking, ignore it. It's none of your business, okay? We're gonna go crazy. Oh! How did I die? Let's get it. Let's go. Oh, we're going up a hill, yo. I keep it on run, boy. Oh! What's going on, cuz? Let's go! Oh! Let's just get it, man. Let's go. We having a good time. Ah! Let's go. I always tell people, you know, let me know what you guys want to see. What's going on? But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Any preferences? So far, I could play cloud gaming games and mobile games. If there's a cloud game that y'all want me to try out, text me. Let me know. You know, not text me, but comment on the video. Let me know what I want to play. Which I want to see me play, you know? I got a few games in the arse, and you know, I know people tell me what to play. And most times I don't be knowing what to play. I got so many games in my arse. But once I get that capture card, it's on. Once I get that capture card though, oh yeah, it's on. Like Donkey Kong, you know what I'm talking about? Old school G's. Let's go. We won. Yeah. And once I get that capture card, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's on Nintendo. Yeah, for most of y'all that didn't know, I'm a Nintendo geek, you know. Let's go though. We in mode with it. Come on. Breaking bad. I made it. Let's go. First try. You know, I'm talking about we good with it. You know what I'm saying? We goated at this. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. No. Wait. Huh? First ability. What ability? What? Levitation. Hold up, y'all. They done sparked the wrong kind of feeling. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get my first one, and I'll tell y'all what it is. We back, y'all. We back with it. And I want to keep it a secret. Oh yeah, the tree kills me. Let's go. I like this beat, yeah. Vito. You know what time it is? Listen, check it. Look. Jumping on the trucks. Kind of messed up. But it's cool because you know I got it out there. Let's go. Check it. Listen. My ability is double jump though. Whee! Yeah, you seen that, boy? We leaping over sticks and all. Rocks. Oh, let's go. You know what time it is. I'm goated. He trying to mess up the flow. Double jump. Yeah. Your boy know how to pick them good abilities. You know what I'm talking about? Let's go. My boy C, if you watching, you could have told me it was the abilities, my boy, young. But you didn't. So next time I see you, I'm gonna buy some abilities for you. I ain't gonna do nothing to you, my boy. You know you my boy. All of them up. Yeah. I like this song though. Check it. Look. It's giving me black people vibes. I'm black, y'all. Y'all know that. Check it. Look. Listen. I could have made that. I'm terrible with the camera. So when things get a little choppy. Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's go! Hey, they put a little electric. Let's go! Whoa! I thought I made that. Yo. So if I'm falling off, I'm goated. I'm not goated. Y'all can clown me in the comments. But that's some bull, bro. Yeah, check it. Listen, look, check it. Lito, yo. I'm finna get past this level real quick. I died. Yep. My bad, y'all. Had a little altercation. Get to the bus! Get to the bus! That's some bull right there, cuz. I like to call that inconvenient. No, let's go! This level is not that hard. Ooh, I got a double jump. Forgot about that. Whee! Come on. Yeah. Let's go! Get on the bus! Oh my god, that stick killed me so many times. But it's cool. Yeah. Check it. Vito, listen. Oh, no! That's a bull, man. Come on. Yeah. I'm getting mad. You can't be serious. Come on, bro. You can't be serious. Oh, slow it down. Let's go. No. I thought I had that one in the bag. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Look, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Look, listen. Oh, I thought I know them. Let's go. Running. Double jump was. Come on, dude. It's tree. Check it. Check the skills, bro. Check them. Y'all seen the scales. Come on, man. Some bull. Yeah, look, check it. Finna go crazy. Finna go crazy. Y'all know. Every time I try to rap. But it's cool, though. Finna rap up on the beat. I'm that dude, though. You know what time it is. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Check it. I love this beat so much. Oh, my God, bro. Oh, my God. No. We ain't giving up today. Let's go. We ain't giving up today. Yeah, we good. Woo. No. I felt that one, bro. No, man. Look at that. Oh, my God. Come on, let's go. No. Yeah, we moving quick with it. Let's go. You seen that? I got it. Oh, my truck. It's out. Let's go. We got it. Oh, you see the skills? No. Come on, man. Let's go. Oh, that's some bug. Come on. Yeah, look. Listen. Oh my God. Yeah. This the one right here, y'all. See? Whoa. Let's go. No. Oh my God, that stick. You got this in the bag. You got that freaking stick. We doing things. Yeah, we made that one. Yeah. Got it. I I ain't gonna lie, I thought I had that one in the bag, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. I've been on this level for so long. See the music. Let's jam out. Yep. It's all my brethren know. Oh my God. We made it. Ah, you came. Let's go. Oh my God. I've been on this level for so long. You know what time it is? You know what time it is? You know what time it is? Oh, got it! Got it! Got it! Finally, bro. Dang, man. Let's see what this next level talking about. Come on. Yeah. Check it. Listen. We in the air with it? We in the air with it? Oh my God. Oh my God. That was amazing. Let's get it. Dito. Yeah, we finna get far today, y'all. Wow! Second time's a charm. Forget that. Level 2 out of 4. Oh my God! You see I'm so slimy? You see I'm so slimy around that? My bad, y'all. My voice got a little raspy. No! Let's go. You can't be serious, bro. Come on. Move! Move! Yep. Oh my God. Come on, man. Let's go. Got it with the sticks. Got it with the sticks. Yeah. I found a trick in the middle. Yak. Check it. Take the skills, boy. Take the skills, boy. You see me? Yep, you see me. Oh no, God, you don't see me no more. Oh, let's go. We back at it. You know what I'm talking about? Alright. What's good, B-Dog Gang? And welcome to the vlog. You know what I'm talking about? Look. That's my boy, you know what I'm saying? Trey right there, you know what I'm saying? Then I got Caesar in the cut. You all feel me? You know what I'm saying? Where's Jody Joe? Oh. What's going on? Oh, what my double jump? Let's go. Appreciate y'all boys. Y'all helped me out. Y'all took one for the team. You gone. That's what. Let's go. What's going on? What's going on? I didn't know what was going on. Let's go. Yeah. Ooh, why they going off the cliff? Why they going off the cliff? Listen, they going off the cliff again. Oh my God, I ducked the dodge. Stop playing with me, bro. We jumping to it. Yeah. Second time's a charm. We back in it. Oh my God. What, we back in the air? Oh my God. Oh yeah. Gotta jump to another trucks though. Yeah, we finna go crazy. Push me up there. Wait, what? Come on, y'all. It's all about CLUSTOS. That double jump is so helpful. Was that the second time? That was the third time. So third time's a charm. We got it back. Baby. What? Oh! They going crazy. Oh, are you serious? Listen, look. Finna rap on the truck. Now you boys out of luck. Finna rap. Well, you know you freaking stuck. Nah, not stuck on this freaking level. Oh! I thought I had that one in the bag. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Yeah. I got the skills to pay the bills. Let's go. Oh, calm down. Dang, bro, I said to calm down. Y'all seen the skills? Oh my God. I love this game. I may be over exaggerated. I don't really love this game. Oh, that double jump helped. Oh my God. It helps so much. Oh my God, the momentum. Slabadini. Come on, man. We got this in the bag, bro. We got this in the bag. OG Juan know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Shouts out to my boy Joe. I don't know why. Oh, come on, man. But shouts out to my boy Trey Nasty, man. Teaching me how to play Orton. Let's go. How y'all doing today, though? Hope I'm giving y'all daily dose of internet today. Let's go. I'm pissed about that one. I'm pissed about that one. But y'all know I'm going to that. This. Whoa. Yankee with no truck. Oh, you serious? Come on. Yeah, we got this in the bag. Yeah, don't mess this up, my boy. Don't mess this up, my boy. We all know you can't drive. Fail. Finball. We on to the next level, though. Oh, you seen that? First. Oh my God. Are you serious? Let's go. First try. Yeah. Level 2.9. Oh, you know what time it is. All right, what's good, Jody Joe? Yo, I see you in the cut, Trey. I'm talking about. And by Trey, I mean Buddha. Oh. Because I'm goated with the ish. Right. Now do it. Look, you just gotta ride along with your guys. You know what I'm saying? Ride along. No Kevin Hart. I'm talking about. There you go. Yeah. No ice cubes, but I'm pretty thirsty. Yeah, we on the bricks. Boy, we on the freaking bricks. Woo! Let's go. We make it to that goal, baby. Yeah. Vito in the cut, yeah. Check it, Vito in the cut. Listen, I'm finna spit. Look, check it. Look. Hey, look. Vito in the top tier gamer in the making, my boy. Top tier gamer in the making. Oh snap. Oh, the rocks are like blowing up the trucks. Oh. Wait, didn't these trucks just blow up, bro? It's more rocks. Woo. That was easy peasy, boy. That was easy peasy. No rapper. Oh, we got enough to get another you know what I'm talking about. How you upgrade? How you upgrade abilities? Okay, let's see. Air dash? A quick air dash that is perfect. I'm gonna meet y'all at the next level. Don't worry about it. Alright, we back in it. Y'all see it. What the? That dash is quick. That dash is amazing. Oh yeah, I got the air dash though. Wait. I can only pick one ability at a time? Makes sense. Yeah. I'm just goated with the game, you know what I'm saying? I just know how to do this, you feel me? Hey, we with the snow. We with the ice. Let's go. I was trying to get to these levels. These levels are hysterical. Didn't need no dash. Uh-oh. I died. Let's go. Y'all see how fast I go? I'm with the. Yeah, check it. Check the skills, boy. Woo! I tried to finesse the system. I tried to finesse the system. Let's go. Back in mode. Yeah, be back in mode. Listen, yep, be back in mode. Look up. Oh, I used the dash when I should. I don't know if that's bars or not. Oh, you seen that air time? Oh, let's go. Oh, we made it. I thought I died. You see the style points, my boy. Yeah. Whoa. Let's go. What? Oh, come on, man. You know what time it is. Let's get back into it. Yep. Check it. Check the skills, boy. I got that. I don't have to. Yeah. Had to go quiet on their ass. You can't be serious. That's some bull. Come on. Where my energy at, bro? Pop out the energy, boy. Let's go. Check it. Look, listen. We go. We on the mission. No, sir. They gonna hit me like that? You gonna hit? Y'all gonna keep hitting me though? Look. Ooh, you know what time it is. Oh yeah. Y'all finna finesse it. I'm definitely finna finesse the system because I'm goated like that. Jump straight into a Christmas tree. Come on, man. Yeah. Check it. Oh yeah. You see what type of time I'm on, bro. See what you gotta do is jump on these trucks right here. Not the pillar. You gotta jump on them trucks down there. Right here. I'm gonna show y'all. Right here. Those trucks right there. Those that's on that thing. Second, it's like 2 rows of trucks you gotta jump on. You know what I'm talking about? Come on, man. They bulling. Oh, they bulling. Come on, we good. Get the gun down. Look at the gun down. Look at the gun down. Look at the gun down. Let's go. We are freaking goated at the game. You see that? You see that? That's 1300 in style. That's airtime. Cuz. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. That was extremely good. You know what I'm talking about? We just finessed that system like a mug, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, next level. What's up? Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Something me and my boy was doing when we was playing on this system. Yeah, you know what time. Oh my god. Oh, the ice. The ice. Come on. Yep, you know what type of time I'm on. Go there. You know, every time I say it, I die. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. Let's go. That move I did on the last level, we're gonna deem it the veto skip. You're gonna deem it the veto skip. Oh my god. Yeah, you know what time it is. You know what type of time I'm on. No, dash. Had to get the dash on them boys. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, let's go. You see how them? Oh my god. Let's go. No laughing matter. This is not a laughing matter, bro. Land on the truck. Come on. Hey, look, listen to me, guys. Listen to me. If you got any Dashy fans in the crowd, let him know I am trying to collab. Definitely. RDC World. Caleb Silly. What? Caleb City? All types of gamers and stuff like that. Burleezy. Easy game. Y'all know what type of time I'm on. Oh! Don't talk about. Oh my god. Woo! Wait. We not goated no more. Psych. Oh my god. Come on, y'all. We got this. Whoa. Whew. That dash too quick. I might just go back to that double jump. The double jump is so helpful. The dash is so inconvenient. Well, it's not, honestly. Because then I can do stuff like this. Not that. You know what I'm talking about? Take it. Look. This. Yeah. Oh, snap. Oh my god. That dash just saved my. Y'all know what I'm trying to say here. It sucks. It reloads so slow. Yeah. Oh my god. You know what? I'm dead. Yeah, let's go. Let's get it. We in mode. You know what I'm talking about? I threaded, then he did. Let's go. Come on, man. Come on, my boy. Let's go, my boy. Oh, I thought I made that. For real. For realsies. Oh. Get up there. Oh my God, I thought I had it. I didn't think I had it. I'm just content for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Content. This is premium content. I didn't use no dash just yet. Oh my God, let's go. Yeah. I'm hungry. That's what I'm saying. You guys are hungry? Let me get some of those snacks y'all eating. Oh, we actually made it. Oh my God. Don't mess this up. This gotta be the one. This has to. You know what? It's not the one. It's just not the one. As my friends would say it. I don't know how they would say it. I ain't got no friends. Oh, let's go! Oh, I was scared. Oh, don't beep at me, cuz. I'm moving. Yeah. Oh, you can't be serious. They BS'd me. Let's go. Again with the same scenario. Yeah. Oh, I just want to make it past level 5. You can't. Stick that in there. I swear to God. Oh, we back at it. This the one right here. Yeah, the one where I get hit by a truck. Second time charm, y'all. Second time short. Oh my God. I said second, like this is not my millionth time. Yo, every time. Where's the goal? Maybe I could finesse another win. Like I did last time. Where's the goal? Oh! I thought I had it. I'd be over space and stuff. I just gonna cut with the space and stuff. Sweet! Maybe I can finesse a win. You know we finna try. Come on. Oh my God. Oh, we finessed it. Don't die. Oh, we ain't done yet. We not done yet. We not done. Oh my God, we finessed it. Oh, let's go. Come on. Don't hit the rock. Wow. We finessing it today. I swear to God. No. The tree killed me. Cause we got it with the sticks. We ain't making it. Told y'all. Let's go. Whee! Where now? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, let's go. Check it, look. Veto skills. We not making it. All right, let's go. This the one. Oh, almost. We can finesse this. Not by running into trees, bro. Again, I ran into smack dead into the tree. Oh my God. Yeah. Dang it. So we just do it legit. We're gonna do it legit. Let's go. Or Wee! Truck! Oh! Oh my God! Wait. Hold up for a second. They're too far away. That ain't happening. Oh my God. That would have been nice. You know what? Imagine if I had 2 perks. I mean, I said perks. I ain't playing no zombies. Imagine I had just 2 skills. Oh my God! You can't be serious. Imagine I had 2 skills: double jump and dash. I thought that's how it worked, but no. Cluster truck wanna. Woo! Am I trying to hit that one? I forgot which one I was trying to hit. Whoops. Sorry, y'all. My throat is a little raspy. I ain't drank no water yet. Yes, I have. Yeah. Come on, stop playing. Woo. 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 Whoa! Come on. We got this. Let's go, baby. Okay. Hold up. I just peeped something I ain't want to peep. I just peeped shifty. Oh yeah, let's go. You know what time it is. I already see it. Yeah, keep driving. Don't turn off. He turned off. Oh my God. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Come on, we finessing this level. I don't care. We finessing it, y'all. Y'all gonna see me through the whole thing. I'm talking about. Keep it going. Keep it. Oh, where'd the truck go? We gonna keep riding. No. Oh my God, y'all should have died for saying that bull stuff. Let's go. No, I shouldn't have. We got this in the bag. Ooh. No way, finesse without the boost. Oh, never mind. I know what time it is. I know what type of time I'm on, cuz. Yeah, check it. Look, listen. Finesse with no boost. Oh my God. We got this. If y'all made it this far, I appreciate you so much. You know, we in the journey right now. You know what I'm talking about? Cluster Truck Pro. That's what they call me. Yeah. Now we just sit back, relax, and ride the trucks to the goal. You see that goal right there, boy? Please don't mess me up. Let me stay focused. It ain't over yet. It ain't over until it's over. Like my boy Kobe said, rest in peace. Mamba, you know what time it is. Whee! Finally, bro. Now let's see what this next talking about. Wait. Whoa. Backwards on them? That's easy. Come on now. Give me something better, my nigga. Talk to me crazy. Talk to me nicely. And talk to me kindly. Shout out to Hard Stop Lucas. You know what time it is. What is this? A circular street? Go! Yeah. You guys bored yet? Cause I'm not. Oh my God. Come on, let's go. Cookie Wookie. Suki Wookie. Wee! You know what time it is. You know what type of time? Yeah. I thought it was easy. But it's not. You know what time it is. I get that goal every time. You know, I'm gonna make it to the goal. You know what I'm talking about? We on 3-8. We stopping at 4. Not 4 o'clock. Once I beat all of 3, we're done. Oh my God. Oh, that's okay. Oh man, that's some bull. Come on, man. Yeah. Whee! Nope, that ain't gonna work. Let's go. Come on, your boy got it. Whoa! 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 I don't know. This one is challenging, but I love a challenge. Oh, I thought I hit that one. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah. Because if you don't like a challenge, what's the point of trying? It don't make no sense. But it's cool. My real folks. My G's out here. My real people, my real folks, they get it. What's the point in doing all this in a bag of chips? Because we got that gold, boy. Yeah. Alright. I might need double. Might need double jump. Might need double jump. No, I don't. No, oh my goodness. Can I stand right here? Yes, I can. Yeah, we're going through the middle. Yep, we're going through the yak. Yep, we're going through the yak. Stop playing. Look, y'all make this so easy for me. Like, come on, G. I'm a real pro at this. Like, I'm trying to get y'all to understand. That wall could kill me. Come on, man. We was chilling, my boy. You know what I'm saying? What's good, Hamed, man? You know what I'm saying? You driving this tank, you know what I'm saying? Come on, G. We finna handle business, man. We in business. We in mode. Come on, G. Don't mess yourself up, bro. I don't have to kill you. Ah! Come on, man. What's good, Jim Bob? You know what I'm saying? You see your homies over here trying to crash into you, my boy? But bump them, you know what I'm saying? It's just me and you right now, you know what I'm saying? We in it to win it. We gonna make it. Check. He crashed into a freaking wall and I died. Come on, Jim Bob. You know what? You fired. You are fired. We gonna come on. Yeah. You hear that beat? Yeah. Don't crash into another wall, my boy. I don't wanna have to beat you. He crashed into the ground. Let's go. Oh. Let's go. Let's get it. We back at it. Yep. Let's go. Yeah. Vito sauce. Dang. I ain't know it was rush hour already. It's only 9 o'clock. Oh, that is hard. I see what I gotta do now. Got you. Ah! I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta go to the main menu. We finna go, Need it. A little quick intermission. Yeah. Oh my God. Look how much better it is. Yeah. Look at that. Come on, G. I'm a real pro at this game, bro. Last match. Let's go. Oh, almost got me. Actually, almost got me. It got me. Let's go. Woohoo! Woo! Oh, you serious, bro? You can't be serious, my boy. You can't be. Oh my God, no, I was killing it. I was going bananas. Smack. That last match got me thinking I gotta go forward, but I don't have to. I just gotta dodge these wooden things. Real pros, we do this. We does this. Let's go. Woo! I thought I slipped through the freaking. You don't talk to me. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Whoa! Yankee with no. I thought I had that one in the bag, y'all. I thought I had that one. Let's go. Yep. Jump too late. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry, y'all. I'm quiet because I'm focused. This level is actually the best level I've played so far. Oh, dang, some bull. Yeah, I love this level a lot. So we need this level, my boy. We need this level, my boy. Yeah. Whee! You seen that? They tried to get you. Come on, man. My arm touched it and you want to kill me for it? Come on, G. Come on. I'm focused. I'm focused. Real pro stuff. Real pro stuff. Whee! Whee! Ooh. I burped. Let's go! Yeah. Yeah. That'll be all for today, though. You know what I'm talking about? We got through one. We beat all of two. We just finished all of three. We goated, y'all know what I'm talking about. If we ever have a freaking cluster truck tournament to see who get the farthest with a set amount of lives, your boy Vito winning that. You know what I'm talking about? But I'm going to, ooh, lasers. Oh, we gotta try one. We gotta try one. One. Oh my God. What is this? Oh my God. Oh my God. Stay on the truck. It's in the beam. It's in the beam. Oh! What the, bro? That's crazy. We did it. We did it. Hey, I ain't gonna show y'all too much, you know what I'm saying, the fourth world, but I'm gonna end it right here. You know what I'm talking about. I appreciate you if you made it this far. Truly, I know it was a run, I know it was a journey, but your boy had to jump back into that CLUSTO. You know what I'm talking about. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Give it a like. Comment your favorite part. Let me know what other kind of games you really want me to play and stuff like that, because I'm willing to try to my best to get any kind of games in my arsenal. You know what I'm talking about. Your boy Vito coming back with some bangers, and I don't even like that word, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, yeah, like, comment, share it to another friend, then to another friend. You know what I'm saying. Let people know Vito gaming out here doing good. It's a top tier gaming in the making right now. You know what I'm talking about. Vito out.